The UK is home to an abundance of freshwater lakes, rivers and canals. While these bodies of water provide endless opportunities for recreation and enjoyment, they can also present certain dangers, particularly when it comes to marine injuries. Cuts and abrasions are some of the most common injuries that occur in freshwater and marine environments. These injuries can happen because of contact with sharp rocks, shell or other underwater hazards. They can also occur when swimming in areas where broken glass is present. To avoid these injuries, it's important to wear protective footwear when swimming, and it's to avoid areas where sharp objects may be present. Drowning is a serious risk when it comes to freshwater and marine environments. Every year, several people lose their lives because of drowning. It's important to never swim alone and always to wear a personal flotation device when boating or engaging in other water sports. It's also important to stay within designated swimming areas and to avoid areas where currents or tides are strong. Hypothermia is a condition that occurs when the body's core temperature drops below normal. This can occur when swimming in cold, freshwater or marine environments, particularly during the colder months of the year. To avoid hypothermia, it's important to wear appropriate protective clothing, such as a wetsuit, and limit exposure to the water if you begin to feel cold or shivery. Wells disease is a bacterial infection that can be contracted through exposure to contaminated fresh water. This disease is particularly common in individuals who engage in activities such as swimming, kayaking or fishing in freshwater environments. To avoid contracting Wells disease, it's important to avoid swimming in stagnant or contaminated water and always wear protective clothing when engaging in water sports. The important thing when near or inland water is to be aware of potential dangers and ensure you wear life jackets and the correct clothing for the environments you're entering.